नमस्कार साथियों, स्वागत है आपका अपने ऑफिशियल चैनल रविंद्र सैनी ऑफिशियल चैनल पर। Day before yesterday, I uploaded a video in regards of that I will provide full information about the rules uploaded on the official website of Rajasthan High Court, that what are the requests required. We need to follow the procedure and the rules framed by the Scheme for Engagement Legal Research in Rajasthan High Court, amended up to 2021. So, as per these guidelines, there are 102 legal researcher posts are created, whereby each High Court Chief Justice can have two legal researchers and four with the Chief Justice of the Court of High Court. So these are the laws are framed to govern the post of legal researcher, where it has been defined certain website in section 2 and in 3 there is a term and nature of the engagement of the post. So the official guideline says that legal researchers shall be engaged on purely contractual basis. So it is not a permanent post, to make it very clear. And it could be the period of engagement for 4 years, or it could be extended till the retirement of the Honorable High Court judges, whichever is earlier, subject to his performance and satisfaction to concerned judge with whom the person is attached, and which shall not entitle person concerned to claim any regular appointment. Like there is a specific mandate has been added in section in this rule 3, whereby it has been specifically mentioned that no regular employment can be asked in future. Then the rule 4 says that method of selection, and it says that the vacancy recruited with the application would be invited by the concerned judge online mode from the eligible candidates, and then there is a appropriate in 5 examination fees is says that every candidate who is making an application shall pay 100 as an examination fee through online mode. Then the selection method has been mentioned here. So there is a age limit as well. A candidate must not have attained the age of 33 years on January 1st, preceding the last fixed submission of the online application. He must be citizen of India. That is another request for the post. And the qualification section 8, a candidate must be a fresh law graduate or postgraduate in law from university, colleges, institutes established by law in India. A candidate must have basic knowledge of computer. That is another request for the post. And in 9, there are certain disqualification. A candidate must not be a practicing advocate. The first request for the post specifically says that the guy who is making application must not be a practicing advocate, and also nor engaged appointed elsewhere on honorarium and payment basis, that the person who is engaging shall not be engaged elsewhere already. A candidate also must not have more than two spouse at the time, nor should married to such a person who already had a living spouse. That means neither two marriage can be considered, neither the person, the like if a woman who is already married, the person shall not marry to that woman. And if a girl knows already that a man is married, then that woman should not marry to that man. Then character. section 10 specifically says that a candidate must be a person of integrity, honesty, and good character, for which he will submit certificate of two responsible person at the time of interview. So this is something very important, because in lot of comments I have been asked that who are these two responsible person. Let me explain you guys in brief that who the person are, who could be these two responsible person in this regard. So two gazetted officer who are not family member of the applicant could be the person who will attest the character certificate with their signature and designated post that I know this person, I know this person since 5 or 10 years and they are of good character. They are not related to you. That means they should not be your family member, but they could be member of your society. Like if I am staying in Jaipur, then those two responsible persons should be belong to Jaipur, and then they should attest your performa of character certificate. So this is those could be the principal of any nearby schools. Those could be doctors. Those could be any designated post person who are posted as a designation, official gadget post, and they could attest that certificate for you guys. On it, this is a good thing that in these amendments, payment of legal researcher is increased. In Supreme Court, it is a bit higher, but in High Court, in Rajasthan High Court particularly, I would say it's 50,000 now, and in Supreme Court it is 80, as I am aware of as on date. And 11 honorium defines honorium, and then attendance and leave. So this basically defines that any person who engaged can leave with so requirement, and there could be casual leave also there. And the honorable judge with whom the legal research is attached shall be competent authority to sanction the applicant's leave, and all basic information is there. Then the important section is defined. What are the duties of a legal researcher? So there are some duties, and which are defined as follows. Without the SYD affecting journaling of the job, to assist honorable judge in discharging judicial and administrative function, the legal researcher shall perform defined duty in this section, and there are certain duties, that is to read case files, to prepare cases summary notes and chronology of events, such a comprehensive nature that it may give to the honorable judges competent view of the matter, including legal question involved in the matter and least case clause which bearing on the case either way. To search, the second one, to search and research legal points, principle under control and guidance of honorable judges. The third one, to search out case laws, article, paper, and other relevant material in this regard, required in discharging judicial administrative work, to take down notes of agreements and to prepare case notes of cases, to identify cases, issue and question that may arise in the course of argument or as may be relevant for judgment. The third, then the next one is to maintain record of the judgments by the honorable judges, along with the point law decided in a particular cases, and to maintain it in such a manner as to be very convenient, retrievable, and home needed with the judges to the purpose whatever, maintenance of record and administrative correspondence. Then the second last one, to perform whether it is direct in course of imparting training to him with regard to procedure, substantial law, or to assist judges in preparing any speech or academic paper. So technically, there are these all the duties of a legal researcher, that Basically, you are the hands and side hands of the judges. Any work related to either court or any professional summary, you supposed to decide and perform with full ability and with full of use of your legal researches to provide best legal research and efficient work in regards of providing quality of work, and that is the basically duty of a legal researcher as defined in part 13. Part 14 says duty however. It says that during the judge will work, the legal researcher as well with engaged with the judges as well, conducting during and after term of assignment. So there are a, as it is mentioned that it could be extended till the retirement of the judges. Then undertaking that there are two and three schedule which is attached with these rules, and we the guy who is like finally selected need to submit these undertaking, and there will be a certificate will be granted to the guy who will successfully complete the term as a legal researcher, as mentioned in Schedule 4 of these rules. Then publication of a scheme. So it is may directly published in any other additional manner also. And these are the rules actually, and there are certain forms as well with these rules. So basically, it's a good post, and those low graduate, fresh low graduates who are looking to like engage with and to who want to engage with the legal litigation work and want to understand or improve their legal research, because when we really engage with the legal work with a realistic prima facie develop more quality of work in legal research, because when we do study we learn how to do research and basically the core of the subject area. But when we really engage into work, there are certain aspects which come and it's really feel better, because I really know that I was a law student and now I'm a practicing advocate. I study law in a law school as a 5 year full time student, but when I do practice, things are different, because you cannot say that exactly what we studied are coming into use, because when you draft a case, it is very different, because those things we learned in law school are very different, and when we work it's very completely different. Now today it's been almost 3 years. I am an official about to complete my tenure as a third year of my advocacy, and I have given my best to the profession, and I'm looking forward to increase my part in this part, because legal fraternity is something, because already Goodsman says that once a law student, always a law student. So in this part, because I got time in legal uh, holidays, so the winter vacation are here, and luckily I got time to upload this video. So I'm uploading it, and enjoy and best of luck to everyone who is applying for the post, and hope everyone will get their achievement in this profession. And thank you. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, because in future I will provide. I am thinking about to start a judgment, best judgment summary year by year. So I will start in chronological manner. First, I will upload 2025 judgment summary, which are very most important case laws of the Supreme Court of India, and then I will provide the list of these cases with a summary, and I will upload. I will show on the display as well, but I will upload. I will provide those judgments copy to the persons who will email me directly, and will do some request for that part, and it would be appropriate for the guy who will asking for those judgment. And thanks a lot. Let me know if I should make that video of summary of the judgments, you guys, because in litigation, case laws of Supreme Court are very important, and if you are looking to get into practice, please be subscribed to my channel, because I will that summary of list of the cases are very important. Case laws is important if you are involved in the legal practice. And thank you, and thanks for watching, and let me know if I can help you guys with anything else. Thanks a lot. Bye.